Many of us start small businesses just to survive. Maybe you are baking, selling clothes online, freelancing, or running a small shop. But somewhere along the way, the word tax starts to sound confusing or even scary. Today, let's take a deep breath and understand what it really means to know your tax obligations as a business person in Kenya. Paying tax isn't a punishment, it's part of being a responsible citizen. Your contribution to the roads that we drive on, the hospitals that treat us, and the schools that teach our children. Understanding tax isn't about fear, it's about peace, knowing you are doing the right thing for your business and for your country. When we talk about tax obligations, we are simply talking about what every business is required to do. Register properly, file returns, pay what is due, and keep good records. It's about staying organized, transparent, and ready for growth. Here are the key obligations. We have number one, business registration and KRA PIN. Every business, no matter how small, needs to be recognized. Getting your KRA PIN is the first step. It's like your ID in the business world. Even if you're selling online, freelancing, or baking from home, that PIN connects you to the tax system. It shows that you are running your business with integrity and accountability. Number two, we have filing returns. Once you have your PIN, you must file your returns. Filing means simply telling KRA what you earned, even if you made no profit at all. It's not about being punished, it's about staying honest and organized. When you file on time, you avoid penalties and you build a clean record for your business. Number three, we have paying your taxes. Depending on the kind of business you run, you will pay different types of taxes. If you earn below 5 million a year, you might pay turnover tax. If you have employees, you will handle payee. And if your goods or services are VAT applicable, you will collect and submit VAT. Number four, we have keeping records. Good record keeping is the secret of peace of mind. Write down what you earn, what you spend, and keep your receipts safely. It helps you know the real story of your business and makes filing easy when the time comes. Even a simple notebook or Excel sheet is enough as long as you are consistent. When you understand these four steps, register, file, pay, keep records, tax stops being a burden. It becomes part of running your business wisely and peacefully. Don't wait for KRA letters or penalties. Learn early, stay compliant, and give yourself the freedom to grow. When you do things the right way, your business becomes lighter and you can focus on what truly matters. That is serving your customers and building your dream. So start small, register, learn, and grow confidently. Every step you take towards understanding your taxes is a step towards peace. Stay tuned. We will keep walking this journey together, one simple tax lesson at a time. See you in the next episode.